Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to mark index entries in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the References tab up at the top. And on the right side, you want to select where it says Mark Entry. And it says Add the selected text to the index. Go ahead and select that. So you have to go ahead and actually select text first and then select mark entry. And then you can enter a sub entry here as well as a cross-reference. And go ahead and select mark. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.